Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about if you can really make money with Amazon affiliate. Alright, so I just wanted to share with you guys in this video that you can actually make money with Amazon Associates affiliate. They also call it Amazon Associates. That's just the name of their program, but it's actually an affiliate program. So how we've been making Amazon affiliate income is through this YouTube channel, doing review videos and putting the links to certain products in our YouTube descriptions. It's purely been YouTube. We haven't been marketing the links on websites or any other platform. It's pretty much been videos and this YouTube channel. So I just want to show you some income that we've made, and this is in Canadian dollars. They pay you in US, but it converts over to Canadian, whatever your currency is. I'm here in Canada, so even though, we get the fees and we get the money in US, when it gets transferred over to our accounts, it turns into Canadian. So this is what we've earned so far on Amazon Associates affiliate, and I purposely have been saving the money and withdrawing it into cash so that I can show you guys, the people that don't think it's possible, that it is possible, and this is the amount that we've earned so far. Now what's cool, this is close to $500 by the way, it's $485. Now what's cool with Amazon affiliate is that they don't necessarily need, the customer doesn't necessarily need to purchase the item that you are quote unquote promoting. So let's say I'm promoting this microphone here. Let's say they click on that, they go to amazon.com, amazon.ca, but they end up buying some shoes. Then I would get a cut from Amazon, not a huge amount. Like you'll see that, this is $485, but you'll see it's very incremental amounts that add up to these larger amounts. So you might think, oh, well, you only got a couple dollars for those shoes. Well, when you make the sales often enough, they add up into this. Now I'm going to show you our timeline so far, and I'm still building our Amazon affiliate right now. I'm still working on it. It's not where I want it to be at this point, but I mean, we literally started from zero. I had no experience in Amazon affiliate, had no links posted. Now I post links and I have like a set way of doing things for our videos, and I can see that our income on here is growing and growing. So I'm here on our dashboard right now, and I just want to show you like a real life timeline of what's been going on with our account. So you can see that in December 2014 is when I first signed up for Amazon affiliates and associates, and you might be like, whoa, you've been doing that, that's your money from 2014. No, I will show you the timeline here. So I signed up for it in 2014, but I didn't do anything with it. It was just sort of going around. I didn't post any links. Like I got $1.36 for that month, and I'm not even sure how I got that, but it was not from active promoting. Then in 2015, there was a couple here. Maybe I sent some links to some people and they bought off of there. 2016, nothing. And then 2017 is when I started to pay attention to starting Amazon affiliate. And it wasn't until 2018 is when I really started to be like, okay, I need to have a schedule. I need to be actively promoting this. So I'm just going to show you the timeline here. 2014, nothing's happening. 2015, nothing's happening. 2017, I saw some videos of some people who were doing well. Like they signed into their Amazon Associates account and they showed people what they made for that day. And I was amazed and I was like, whoa, I could do this too. So as you can see here, there's more 2017s, meaning I'm starting to generate some income per month. If you don't make anything for that month, then the month won't show up here. So not all the months show up in 2017, but there's a bunch more. now when you head over to 2018, you can see that it's happening quite frequently, like more and more often. And you'll notice this here, payment by check. So you'll see the length here from here to here is a long length. And this was my first payment check, and I filmed it, and we were so excited. I was so excited when I got this because then I knew for sure, okay, we can do this and it's just going to grow from here. Then as I scroll up, you can see from here, this distance from payment by check to this payment by check is a shorter distance now. From here to here to here to here. Now when I scroll up even further up, you can see that here to here is an even shorter distance, meaning I'm getting paid by check from Amazon a lot sooner, a lot quicker now. There's less and less months in between these payment by check. Now, eventually, I want to get these payment by checks every single month. Now, Amazon has this thing where I don't know if it's in only if you are outside of the US, you need to have a minimum threshold of $100. I'm in Canada, so I need to meet the minimum threshold of $100. I can't remember what it is if you're in the US, if you're allowed to receive direct deposit less than $100. I'm not too sure, but for me, being in Canada and doing this on Amazon.com, I would like to receive this payment by checks every month. That's my first goal, is to get to 100 US on Amazon affiliate every month. And as you can see, it's getting shorter and shorter, which is good because we're moving towards that goal. Now, the really cool thing is that these sales and these clicks were already on videos on our YouTube channel that we were going to do, that were already happening. This is just an added bonus addition to what we're doing. I'm already going to be creating a video on a certain topic because we have a YouTube channel, we have a schedule, we have to post, 4 to 6 times a week. That's our YouTube schedule. These videos are going to be going up. I'm going to be talking about gear. I'm going to be talking about services that I like. I'm going to be talking about products that I like. So, might as well put these links in there, because I always get questions from people asking, what camera are you using? What microphone are you using? What do you use for this? What do you use for that? And people want to know our recommendations because we trust. If you like someone and you know them and you trust what they say, if they say this is a good microphone, then you're going to get that microphone. So you can see here that it's getting closer and closer together, which is really exciting because I want these Amazon checks to happen every month. And then when I reach that goal, then I want the amount per month to be even higher and higher. And I know it's just going to grow and grow. The more videos, the more review videos that I do, the more product review videos, and the more links that I put up. So I want to head over to this page right here to show you guys that a lot of the items, like maybe 75 to 80, maybe 90% of the items that we are making a revenue on, I didn't directly use or promote. So what I'm saying is they clicked through our link, but they didn't necessarily purchase what I was talking about, which is the whole cool thing about this. All right, so this is like our last year's stats on items. This first one here, I did promote that, and a bunch of people have purchased through that. Oh, here's something that I definitely did not promote. Look at this. Bumble and Bumble Seaweed Shampoo. Definitely did not promote that. You can even click on the link to see what the item is. So here's some shampoo. I haven't done any videos about shampoo. And then I made $3.22 US off of some shampoo that I did not promote. That is really cool. A lot of this is gear. I do promote the Blue Yeti microphone. I do promote this shotgun microphone. What is this? I didn't promote this, but this is a camera gear. I didn't promote that. I didn't promote that. This thing here, I didn't promote this. I have no idea what this is. Positively Izzy. A children's book. I did not promote this for sure, but we made 45 cents off of a $9.89 book. That's cool. I did not promote that. We also, another novel here that I didn't promote, 31 cents off of a $6 book. And another book. Wow, I guess a person bought a bunch of like teenage children's books. And what's this here? Places in the Heart. Oh, it's a DVD with Sally Field when she was really young. I definitely did not promote that, and we made 20 cents off of that. Now, you can see like the amounts are small. They're low, but when you get more and more of them, they add up. This is all purely Amazon affiliate income. Here's another thing that I did not promote. Oh, it's like a smartwatch. I think it might be, yeah, like a step counter smartwatch thing. And then here, Elmer's School Glue. I didn't promote that, but we made some money on that. Some oil herbs. What is this? So this one was a higher one, $5.94. Oh, it's not even like, it's to cover the, I guess the sun, like shades, blinds, that type of thing. It's not like necessarily photography gear, but it's like shades. That was a good one. That was $5.94. Dove Men sculpting paste. Didn't promote that. And as you can see, like the list goes on, and a lot of these things I didn't promote, but they got to Amazon through our links, clearly, because we're getting compensated for it. So our method is purely using our YouTube channel and doing product reviews. Now we do product reviews on products that we stand by and that we want to promote. So I have used most of the products, or if I'm doing a product review that I haven't used, then it's someone else's, like my friends or my sisters, or someone that I know is recommending that product. And then in the description of our videos, we always tell people during the product review that, you know, you can get this product from Amazon. Amazon is a trusted source. There's no hesitation when you tell someone, oh yeah, you can just get it on Amazon. They're not going to be weary of going onto that website to purchase because they're a known brand. And, you know, with these product reviews, we actually give value. So I'm actually educating the person on the product, showing them what it looks like when it arrives, possibly doing an unboxing, saying what's really cool about it, and saying things that might not be as good about it, and things to be aware of if they're going to end up purchasing that item. And that's pretty much what we do to earn our Amazon Associates income. And, you know, I've made a point to do at least one product review video once a week. Like, we don't even do them on a regular basis because our channel is mainly tutorials, and on the weekends, on Saturdays, is when I do product reviews and service reviews. And for the most part, I do one product review per week, so it's not even a lot, like 4 videos a month, and we're able to earn this kind of income based on our links in our YouTube descriptions. So I just wanted to create this video to let you guys know that it is possible, totally doable. You can make money, you can receive those checks. Just make sure that you're providing really good review videos. You're giving full value, you're educating the customer, the consumer, whether it is a good idea or not a good idea to purchase the item. Now, the type of review videos that I do are products that I would personally recommend and that I personally use for the most part, and that's sort of my tactic. So that is it for this video. It's totally doable. Logistically, it's not very difficult to do. You know, sign up for an Amazon Associates affiliate account, create review videos, good review videos, honest review videos. I cannot stress that enough. You cannot be fake in these kinds of videos, otherwise people won't trust you and they won't purchase from you again. Put your links in the description. Keep doing product review videos, and you just keep growing and repeating that cycle. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.